morning. Serenity got me up in this kitchen. I'm supposed to be going to the gym. She wanted some French toast sticks and some eggs. Okay, so I'm back in here making these eggs again. But here's the French toast sticks. Hold on, they cooking. Y'all probably thinking like, girl, you make eggs like every day. I really do. I make eggs all the time. Trying to get the right color. But anyway, yeah, these are my eggs. Cheesy as hell. Just in case y'all didn't know what I meant when I said deep fried, yeah, this is it. Okay? And don't come from me. This is not funnel cake oil from Lindsay. Okay? Ain't nobody use no new oil for no funnel cake and French toast. This is the same thing. And you want me to use new oil? I'll take the donations. They're almost done. We ain't gonna let them get too dark. Alright, y'all. Now on to the next thing. I am about to make some sausages, okay? These are some, they are pork. Yes, I know y'all don't eat pork. But these are pork sausage that I get from Aldi's. It comes 18 in a pack. They're like, I want to say like $6, $7. And they're actually pretty good. So if you are one who eats pork, you like to make breakfast sandwiches, I'll show you how big they are. They're actually they're decent size. I'm turning this pan down. Woo. Put you over to the side, baby. See, they're actually a pretty decent size. So you can just make one with some fried egg or something like that, or scrambled eggs, and voila, you have a breakfast sandwich. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in the pan, probably 3 at a time. And yeah, that's our breakfast meat for today. All right, so I got one in and all 3 are now in, okay? Oh wait, that one cooking fast. We're gonna scoot the rest over. Rearrange some things. Move this baby in here. Move them over there. So they can cook, okay? Alright, let me let these things cook, because watch food. What am I gonna say? A watch pot don't cook, something like that. It will cook. I know, that's right. Hold on. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and spool it. Oh, it wasn't really time yet, but it's alright since we're already in the cooking mode. So go ahead and flip. We can flip again. Oh baby, that one's cooking fast. Let's pull them over. Y'all hear what Carter said? If you watch it, it won't cook. Morning time. What you got on your face? You just sneaking snacks early in the morning? Oh no. Say good morning. Say good morning to the people. Good morning. Morning, folks. Breakfast time. I'm about to head on out after I fix breakfast. You see the eggs over there? Prepping these eggs. I done spilled some cheese. That's all right. We'll get it up.
Could I fix the rest? Can I fix the rest?
What? At least I got so many seasons that I don't even put half of this stuff away, because I need a bigger house. I don't have enough room. Okay, that's it. I gotta put more cheese. Oh,
dang,
baby.
that one could be fast.
Yes. It's talking to me now. Let's flip it again. All right, y'all, and the breakfast is done. This is Carter's plate. First toast sticks, eggs, sausage, boom, bam. There you go.
But can I get my Arizona? Because my throat's dry. So
why every time you come over here, you got something else on your face? I think he's sneaking stuff. What y'all think? Are you sneaking stuff?
The only thing I'm sneaking sleep.
I can't. Bye, boy. All right, guys, so we about to sit here and eat breakfast. Breakfast is done. Here's my plate. Mine just thrown together, but let me show you their plate. There's their plate that I showed you before. This friend finally came down. You can't really see with the light. The ring light all in the way.
Now don't show me.
I'm showing you.
I look a mess.
It's fine.
No, I just not done.
It's fine.
Oh, the shirt on.
You're not dressed yet, so it's cool. Good morning, y'all. So we are out and about early in the morning. As y'all can see, I had to drag Carter out of the bed, okay?
Don't show me.
Say good morning.
Try to fix my bun.
You look pretty, though. You don't look ugly.
Can you fix my bun? Like,
I can't fix your bun, honey.
You keep showing me. I'm trying to fix my bun.
She's so extra. No, leave me alone.
Yes, you were.
She's so extra.
I want some from there.
Anyway, so we're not going to Wawa.
We're not?
But I went to this grocery store once before, and I actually like some of the things that they had in there. So we're about to go check it out. That's why you're on camera, because you don't listen. Stop it. Don't put my seatbelt on, y'all. Alright, guys, so this is the supermarket that I was talking about, the Fresh Market. It's actually in Westchester. All right, guys, so we are now headed in, and this is one of the reasons why I like this store. I am in love with a store that is neat and organized, okay? You just have to be clean, neat, and organized, and you'll have me as a customer for life. All right, so we're going to go ahead and head in. But before we do, we got to sanitize these carts because people are nasty. And with everything that's going on, I just don't want to get sick. And like I said, it is clean, neat, and organized. But like I said before, people are nasty, and you can't help who shops at your store. So just to be on the safe side, we're going to go ahead and clean this cart up, and then we'll go right inside.
Ooh, girl, you know what's up. Me and my people be rolling, keeping on you and your homies. The very first day of summer, all chromed out in a Hummer bed. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this way, 'cause you and your girls wanna ride. Play all day, puff on the line. Say what, say what, say what. You know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need. Ooh, say what, say what, say what. You know that I'm about it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. I'm digging you.
All right, guys, so now I am picking up some onions so that I can cook something later. Don't feel like chopping up any onions, burning my eyes. But I mainly came over here so that I can get my things for my detox. I need watermelon. Watermelon is one of the main ingredients in the detox that I was supposed to do. And also pineapples. Now, if you know me, you know that I am allergic to fresh pineapples. However, I just want to lose some weight. So if that's a part of the detox, I'm going to try it out and see what I can do. See if it works and take some Benadryl or something with it. Now, another thing that I always grab is peppers. I get peppers because I like to eat peppers by themselves or with a little bit of ranch, or I like to add them in my pasta. So I always have some peppers on deck. I also like to stuff peppers. If you like to see them type of videos, let me know. Now, chicken is self-explanatory. I mean, need I say more? You get chicken breast, you cook it, you grill it, you bake it. Okay, and then we go to the sushi. Me and my kids have fallen in love with sushi here lately. I don't even know where I tried it. I tried it first at a friend's house, and I've been hooked ever since. I bought some. The kids frowned upon it, and then finally tried it, and now they're hooked. So every week we try to get some sushi, cooked only though. I don't like raw sushi. Never tried it, and I'm sure I won't. Now, here we go with me trying to, get it together with this sweet tooth. And I said, okay, they have these little keto ice cream sandwiches. They got to be good, Tried them, and needless to say, they are trash. Please don't waste your money. They were like $5 for nothing. Oh, okay, these strawberries are for the detox as well. Supposed to have fresh, but these frozen will do. But look how high these seasonings are. These small containers. Baby, I need to get the seasoning business, okay? honest.
Three hours later.
Nobody gave nothing to me. Be careful while fucking with me. All of my little brothers spotted, they cutting for me. Yeah, they gon' cut you for me. Lay in the cut with them cutters and cut you for free. Say she in love with me, but say you love, I just want your company. I fall in the club for free. I give out daps in them hugs for the ones for me. Cause that type of shit don't phase a player. This type of shit is what make a hater when you got it out the mud, yeah. Ran it up, yeah. Really don't get no fuck, yeah. Yeah, ran it up, yeah. Really don't get no fuck, yeah. Don't get no fuck, we ain't do nothing.
Y'all take a wild guess. What y'all think we here for today? Comment down below real quick. What y'all think we here for? Done guessing? You are correct. We are here for school band. Always the school bands. I'm getting them too big because you know what? At this point, not that big. Lost the head. I want a different kind of school band. Y'all never have a size. See, I like these. I never have a size. Need these to go on sale for next year, honey. Hold on. $6.50. Yes, they will. It might be too big, but that's all right. This is way too big. Try to get the cart. Y'all know I frequent this section right here, okay? See what they got on here for now. This is the shirt he had for his birthday, if y'all followed the vlog. Oh, wait, I ain't even posted the vlog yet. What am I talking about?
If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl.
He know better. Y'all let me know yay or nay. Oh, yay or nay. I'm gonna say nay for these for myself. Let's put that back down. Listen, I got all the glasses twisted. How they do it? I like these. Ciao. No, those too small, baby. Let's see. Let's try these. Oh yeah, I like these. I like these for me. Okay, shades. This? They're cute. I'm not getting them though, but they're cute. I think these are cute. He said no, but I think they're cute. All right, y'all. So we are now back home from Target. We're about to, well, Carter's about to eat. I'm gonna probably eat a couple of not crab legs, some claws, cause I don't really eat crabs like that. Say hello.
Hi.
Cause you always doing all that instead of just saying hello.
Wait, my butt messed.
So I'm gonna show y'all in a minute what we got from Target. I'm gonna do a little Target haul,
Well,
whatever. Move. He gonna do it because you did your own. No,
Yeah,
you already did your.
I
No,
wanna help.
Carter, you can do
No, I
that.
want to help you.
Okay. So yeah, I'm steaming his crabs, season them up and all that. Let me show y'all what I did. They looking real good, and I don't even eat crabs, but they smell good. Yeah, peace. All right, so here go the crabs. Okay. These things look good, and I know they taste even better, baby. Don't tell me I can't season some crabs, honey. I can season one up. Well, I can pretty much season anything, but these things, I'm sure they taste as good as they look. All right, y'all, so here go the crabs. They're done. I'm about to make up the sauce real quick. And you can dip them in. I know he ain't gonna eat all this, but here's the finished product.
Hey, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black. Seats scrambled.